9,232, my favorite number. Okay, so it is 3 times 3077 plus 1. Okay, so most values get stuck at an odd number, and then that odd number gets multiplied by 3 and added 1. And now 3077 is an odd number, so it's multiplied by 3 and added 1. Well, basically 9,232 is the value of all the numbers. It's the value of all the numbers. Well, 9,232 is my favorite number. It's the value of all the numbers, and it can, and 3-digit numbers joined together, they can also, their largest value can be also 9232. Well, my favorite number is that. Now let's get on to the sequence. Okay, so you can search this sequence on A025586 in the OEIS. Okay, so here goes the sequence. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 16, 4, 16, 16, 52, 8, 52, 16, 52, then 16, then 40. Also 13 is the first one to consider. It's 3x plus 1 as the largest value, which is 40. Then 52, and then 160, then 16, then 52, then 52, then what is the 88, then what is say 20, then 64, then 52, then 160, then 24, then 88, then 1, then what is say 40, and then here's the largest number that you haven't heard of, 9,232. Okay, so this sequence continues on forever in this sequence. Okay, so this considers the largest value in the trajectory of n, which means it is also known as the peak of the mountain. Let me tell you in simple words. Now, have you seen a bar graph? Yeah, that graph shows you. Okay, now here's the bar graph. 0, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. Then notice 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm very bad at making these graphs, but okay. See, the graph that I made didn't look like that. But I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at making graphs. But you can take a chart on your computer and make this, and you can make the graph of the correct numbers in the conjecture of 27. Yeah, by the way, I didn't show it was the really highest. It was 9,232. Okay, so the largest value in 3x plus 1, which means that it is also known as the peak of a mountain. Well, have you ever heard of Mount Everest? It is 8,848 meters high. So, since now 9,232 is even more higher than Mount Everest, right? You must have seen this. Even though this bar graph could take over the size of Mount Everest, you can really see that. Well, this you can take 27, 82, 41, 124, 62, 31, 94, and you have to make this graph. You have to make this graph until you reach 1. This is the property you have to do. So even though in the largest value, let me tell you, there's a largest value of 9,663, which is, this is the most largest value less than 1,000, even though this number also appears in the sequence. Okay, 52, then 9,232, then 250,504, 27,114,424. Well, these all numbers. Well, okay, so what is common in these numbers is 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, and 4 digits. Okay, so their highest value can be got from this values. Well, the next value of the, okay, so here's 9, then what's say 9, no, lowest number, okay, 7, then 27, then 703, then 9,663. Okay, so the next number, okay, now you suppose, now they have been separated into half, chopped into half. Well, this value 27 million is even more greater than 975,400, which is the largest value of the number, which has the highest number of steps less than 10 to the power of 4, which is 6,171. So 92 and 32, then 250 and 504, then 2711 and 4424. Well, these values, they can be even. Okay, so 9 has 19 steps. Well, they can both be in the way. And now suppose now 703, now it's not 703 anymore. Now the largest value of the largest number of iterations less than 10 to the power of n. We are doing that. Okay, so 9 has its largest value as 52. 97 also has its largest value as 9,232, but now it changes. Now the largest value of 871 is 190,996, and 6,171, which is 975,400. Well, these values, you can just check them on Google. Well, there's no such sequence of this in the OEIS. Still their largest values are smaller than, okay, largest value for the largest number of iterations. I wrote this. Still they are this and this. And for the next 250504, which is the largest value of 937 too. Now suppose that these are all numbers. now you liked that video the most. Now if you like this video, if you had fun with this thing, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.